Hey everyone! In this video, I want to emphasize the importance of learning how to create your own CNC plasma cut files. It's not just essential for growing your business, it's also a fun and rewarding skill to master. When you can design your own cut files, you gain the freedom to bring your creative ideas to life, set your work apart from competitors, and significantly boost your profitability. Most CNC plasma beginners and experienced sign makers use Inkscape. Why? Because it's incredibly powerful, intuitive, and best of all, completely free. Just head over to Inkscape.org and download your copy today. Instead of endlessly searching through confusing YouTube tutorials, you can enroll in our free, comprehensive Inkscape drawing course at tinmanmetalworks.com. The course is packed with easy-to-follow video tutorials designed specifically for CNC plasma sign makers like you. Trust me, investing your time in learning Inkscape now will pay off massively in the future. You'll design unique, high-quality products with ease, setting you miles ahead of competitors relying on purchased files alone. Don't wait. Click the link in the description below, sign up for the free course today, and start unlocking your creative potential. Your future self will definitely thank you. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and let me know what other tutorials you'd love to see.